What's up, everyone? Casual Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of like a thank you video. Wanted to give a thank you and a shout out to DIY Mike, the Locomotive guys, Max Speeding Rods, their sponsors. Because I entered a contest on Instagram, DIY Mike Locomotive's Instagram, and I won, guys. So I wanted to thank them, and let them know I received it. I've been wanting to do this thank you video for quite a while, but I just been crazy busy. A lot of things have changed, and it's just been crazy, guys. But yeah, I want to give them their props. Go subscribe to DIY Mike Locomotive, and go check out Max Speeding Rods, guys. I guess that's their sponsor, and they did this giveaway, and I ended up winning the prize. I'll show you guys here in a while. DIY Mike, I've been watching DIY Mike since way back, since he's been doing showing eBay and how he sells on eBay and stuff like that. And then when the Pink Widow came out, that build really got me really into that channel, and I watched that. I did a Hot Wheels car for them of the Pink Widow. Sent them to them. They got that. It's been a cool channel, and I entered this contest, guys, and I won. So I want to show you guys what I won and see what I'm gonna do with it. Probably use it in one of my projects. I know that I do different things on this channel. That's why it's called KP Videos. And the beginning of my videos was a lot of import stuff and Hondas and stuff like that, but it's advanced to Hot Wheels and customization and everything. It's everything. My channel could have anything tomorrow. Nobody would, it's everything all around. So let's get into the prize, guys, and let me show you guys what I won. And like I said, I'm very appreciative and happy, and thank these guys so much that I did win. So let's flip the camera and go from there. All right, so this is it. I already opened it. I checked it out, pulled it out and everything. Sorry about the lighting. I'm actually in my office where we create vinyl stuff, shirts, where all the Hot Wheels come in play, all that stuff. So this is like my work area, guys. So the lighting is really not the best. So let's open it up, and let me see if I can do this with one hand, because I have the camera on the other hand. All right, and it did come packed better than this. The box was actually kind of messed up, but it had all these, like foam snakes, I guess. I don't know. But let's take this out. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. Let me get some help here. Here, if you want to hold this right there, that camera for me. All right. All right, guys, and that's their, what's it called right there, Max Speeding Rods. That was their sponsor, I guess, which let them lead up to, doing the giveaway or whatever. All right, guys, so there it is. This beast right here, guys, it's huge. It's a huge turbo T4. Thing weighs 32 pounds. It's massive. Check it out compared to my Coke can, okay? It's massive. that. Big old turbo, guys. I won this on the contest. You know, thank you guys so much. You know, I have some ideas of what it's gonna go into, and it might be on the channel. Who knows? We'll see. Like I said, a lot of things have changed in my life, and actually not for the good, guys. But you know, that's for a different story. And if we even get to me even saying what, but yeah, you know, I'm just gonna do what I gotta do, keep this channel going as far as I can, and make the best out of things, you know what I mean? So hopefully this will end up somewhere in one of my projects or something, in one of my cars, guys. But this is it. I wanted to show you guys I don't win anything. It's funny because that night that I did win this, I was jumping up and being excited and happy and everything, and then the very next day my life changed. So, you know, and it's crazy. But yeah, guys, thank you guys. Thank you, Mike, Locomotive guys, you know, the whole crew, Max Speeding Rods, you know, and luck, I guess, because like I said, I don't win anything. One of the first things probably that I have won, and that's it. But yeah, that's it, guys. You know, I really don't have nothing else really for this except for, like I said, it was a thank you kind of video. So you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go check out all my past videos. You know, like, subscribe, comment. I'll try to get back to you guys, all that stuff, and just stay updated for new content. You know, I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully it's just up from there, guys. It's been a long time coming to get to 1,000 subscribers. Let me flip this around, so hang on. It's been a long time coming for 1,000 subscribers, guys, like I said. So I'm just gonna grow this channel and do whatever we do. You know, it's KP videos, guys. So please, guys, subscribe, hit that notification, like, comment. You guys know how to blow this up, you know. And I have faith in all you guys. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you, guys. I'm Casual Paul, KP Videos, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.